Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel IT143. You are watching Google Chrome tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to install and remove Google Chrome extensions. Extensions are great add-ons which extend the functionality of the browser. To install any extension, click on three dots on top right corner of the window. Navigate to More Tools, and from the expanded menu, please select Extensions, or we can directly enter Chrome:/extensions in the address bar and hit enter. Here it will show all the extensions currently installed in this computer. To install new extensions, click on three horizontal lines. Choose Open Chrome Web Store. Here it will show different extensions based on various categories, features, and on ratings. Select the required extension or directly enter the search term in the search box to get a specific extension. I want to install TubeBuddy extension, which is a great tool built for YouTube video optimization and for YouTube channel management. If you want to know the complete details of this extension, simply click on this. Below we will get overview about this extension, and to install this, click on Add to Chrome, and from the pop-up window please select Add Extension. It will download the extension and add it to the Chrome. Now come to the extensions, and the TubeBuddy extension is successfully installed, and we got a TubeBuddy icon in Chrome menu. And after some time, if you want to disable a extension for some time, no need to remove it. Simply pull the slider to left and it becomes grayed out, which means it is disabled, and click on Details. Some extensions need permission to read and change the site data, and to allow this extension in private window, enable allow in incognito mode, and you can read various specifications showing here. And if you want to delete a extension completely from Chrome browser, simply click on Remove. Then it will ask for the confirmation, remove tamper key beta. If you are okay with this, click on Remove. Then the extension will be removed from the Chrome browser. Like this, we can install and remove Google Chrome extensions. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.